wonder if there's room for our bag in there.
Where's Corrie then?
I'll tie a leash to the bumper and just drag her. Every last square centimetre. I think we're well kitted out for a trip to the South Pole. Mind you, where we're going probably is going to be colder. Bloody freezing it is today.
It's windy, isn't it?
That's going to go on the parcel shelf. Just the weather for boating, this, isn't it? We'd be cast adrift. It'd be Captain Ahab, or Habin-A, and the wind be howling and the boat be charging. Ah, Captain Ahab. Have you got the dog with you? No. Have you got the dinner with you? No. Corrie! 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 This dog has lost all sense of direction.
Sue, let me see this.
Oh, here.
Where are you?
Here. Oh.
Ah.
I've got my coat off yet.
Well, go on, get the rest of the gear off then.
A bit cold yet. He's taking a video. Look at your mum. Come down here.
I can't get over these chairs. So what's this? Kinky women build love nest. Hmm?
Yeah. We're making your father's. Do you want one? An extra one? Oh no, we've got one of those. Everybody's got one.
You know why they're called narrowboats now, don't you?
Yeah. They don't have to be sitting on the toilet.
And this is the little home that we live in.
It's not a little home, isn't it?
And the Queen.
This is my bedroom, actually. It's where I sleep. Got my
Queen is on the throne.
my nice little sheets here. My sheets here.
Can your feet actually touch the ground?
Yeah, I can. I just sort of slide. Shower.
You still got your clothes on, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Here we are in this quiet pastoral bliss. On the happy boat Sherry. With Mr. Grumpy. Back, 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 back.
Bus. That's why
You notice on this boat, the poltergeists have got hold of the lighting system. And they're going like on and off. I think it could be Dad. He's the electrician. At vast cost, we've had a figurehead carved for our boat. Hasn't got its knockers hanging out though. I think so.
Oh. Settee come bed, double bed, television, yeah, radio, table, two chairs which you can't see everywhere. Then we move along to the kitchen area. Little sink, washing up, draining board, lots of cupboards, raw supplies, fridge, making a squeaky noise, plenty of pots, nice gas cooker, and then we've got down here just things like rubbish bins and everything, and then through this little door,
Your dad in his underpants.
got shower room, ensuite bathroom, and if I just go knock knock, open the door. Ready? Hit the video or something. His dad's there with his pants on, sing, drum off.
Are you pissing in the sink?
It's shrunk and changed colour.
I shot it at the house of somebody last night.
By God.
You know what I'm going to do?
What?
I'm going to get my tights on. No.
Right.
You put your tights on, Mother?
I have to step in and put my feet up there. And then get my tights on, Corrie.
Come. Damn chickens. Tiny little things, yeah.
Now, sir, you see that big white whale, Mr. Ahab? Yeah, sir. She be on a tiller. Maybe that bloke doesn't chuck a big piece of concrete in over the bridge. He's not one of these railway vandals, is he?
Little Milton Keynes.
Lovely walks, haven't they?
Lovely.
Corrie! Corrie! What's that up your bum?
Chuck down the rope off the front. Or get off yourself. Swing out.
Hey, slow down! Slow it down! You're fine. Oh, Dad got hold of the mop. Now we're in trouble.
What time on this man, please?
Yeah. Oh, it's just past me. I'll stand on it. Yeah.
We're not like that. No, it's all right.
You sure? It'll do the job. Get ready with the big reverse bang, Sue. Reverse it, reverse. Go on. Do some welly. That's it. Yeah, fine. Oh, it's heavy.
So I'll do that for you.
Hey? Yes, okay. Whoa, I'll just get it. I'll do it once. I don't do this every time.
I believe you.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Just keep in one place. Bit forward, bit backwards. That's fine. Oh yes, this is lovely. Thanks very much for the assistance. This is great. I've got all the locking in now, you see. Got it all on camera, you see. Normally it's me that's running around buggering around.
Your electrics with you, the plug socket fits in.
That's right, and
so you can
charges
run
the
it off the
battery.
mains.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah. I've got the phone
That's
plugged
what
in there
I've got
then.
with mine. That's what I've been doing with mine.
The dog looks decidedly unimpressed. This one is.
Well, they'd get worried if the two Filipinos about the place, you know, Corrie.
Especially if they're carrying tinfoil. You're going backwards, Sue. You're going backwards. Go forwards. That's it. Right, it's just about there. Oh, catch all
You'll
this.
laugh, wouldn't you?
Hey?
Need a bit of muscle.
Right, can I get back on?
Yeah.
All the time. Fasten young.
Well, here we are. It's Monday. Sue's hard at work.
Yeah, well, they said we were going to take. That's what caught Janet, seeing that bit, the coat, and caught the back of her coat and dragged her off the back of the horse. It's really hurt her neck though.
There's a river here I've never heard of before. It's called the River Tove. It looks as if it might be just a little trickling drain of some kind. Winding hole. Look at the heron.
And that one yesterday, you thought it was just a statue.
It looks like some of my bricklaying on these bridges, you know.
It's missing.
56.
Yeah.
56. You 32 when going through a bit. I think it's going into a lot of people.
Well, he could have moved on a radar. Yeah.
Keep going. So what's this about the museum then? It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Nearly there now, it's about an hour.
Where are we going?
Oh, yeah.
This is the Elizabeth Tunnel. In here for quite some time. Don't do that, I can't see a thing. Nearly at the end now. As they say, we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's taken about 45 minutes to get through. Yeah.
I suppose we're getting the lunch then and then.
Is Grandma? Corrie's somewhere down here. There's Corrie.
When leave the red light go?
Corrie! Corrie! Whistle! Here we are. Just about to come out of Elizabeth Tunnel. It's daylight. I think sunshine, is it?
at that. The sunshine, Corrie, isn't it? Oh, look how wide it is. Ooh, look. Hooray.
Steve, skipper, has got us safely through the tunnel. It's a bit damp, but otherwise unscathed.
This is Boat Alley, Mum.
Yeah. 22,000, you could bought one back there.
I think that one can stay in its box, quite frankly. Matanga worker.
Sorry, by the way.
Who's the world's first seasick dog?
If I come over there, I'll get into this way.
Oh yeah. Come on, Corrie, jump, you bugger. Oh, then let's see the gin. Where's the gin bottle, Mother?
No, we've finished it actually.
It's all gone.
Only Monday.
Cheers.
It's all gone. Cheers. 3.5 bottles. Gone. Cheers.
Drunk in charge of a canal boat.
Well, at least we don't have to walk. Is that just going into the loo? Would you like to broadcast that? I'll show you something.
So what is this? This is a mooring spot on night 3. This is Monday night. And the big knobs are going to have a look at us. Corrie!
Yeah, what's in here?
What's that in the engine room?
No, it's in the cookhouse. It's in the gin palace. Oh, look, you got it. Did you get Corrie jumping out?
No, we'll get me mother jumping out.
Your mum's face is like Felicia Beacon. Got a good suntan.
You're swaying a bit.
Well, I don't want it. But I don't know what the fetish thing is.
Life will be gone down.
We're trying to catch a duck for dinner.
You don't want to take these bloody ducks with you, do you? Oh yes.
And there's your favourite.
Bull terrier. Yum yum. World famous. Bugworth begging ducks.
I don't know. She's had quite a lot, hasn't she? Would you like to take me jogging along the tow path then? Come on, Corrie.
Start jogging. Mum's had too much gin.
It's so cold. Corrie!
If our dog wants a piss, it can do it in its bowl.
Which had one?
But then I can drink it.
See that this morning?
Oh, you're not
It's a bit cold today. It's
not
Wednesday
cold,
and it's never
it's
stopped
living cold.
raining since last night.
No, but I'm thinking do it long.
The happy boaters.
Happy campers.
Happy campers. Happy camper. Go and buy some biscuits.
Oh, sorry there. Stoke Bruin, monsoon capital of the Midlands.
I hope it is. I've got you on video now, making me drink.
Such a super day, Dad. You know, I thought I'd seen most of Locomotive 1012 on the British Diesel line. I was staggered. I was just pulling up my Parker and I was just sort of reaching for my flask and sandwiches, and there appeared to me at Wolverton Works a number 1102. I almost wet myself.
And what do you have to say?
It's off.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's off now.
It's back on again.
What do you have to say, Gordon?
I've done corrupted a whole gang of school kids.
I couldn't help but laughing at that.
Hello, what do you have to say?
Well, I'm staying down here, but there's no smells. That's what I'm doing.
That's what you think.
Why are you farting, you?
No, but you've been farting today,
Oh,
and
dear.
you said, that doesn't smell.
No, I don't. Mine don't smell. I'm trying to get my coffin up.
What's your
Only on
coffin?
one side.
This is where Grandma's sleeping.
Sue, do you want me to hold the camera for you?
No, it's alright. That was your mum.
That was not me.
Oops.
Is that me in there?
Coffin. Do you want to just lie down to show us what you look like?
I'm
Get
not
in.
bed made yet.
Can you get in? Get your head in.
Don't get my bed dirty.
Just put your head there. Just so that we can see.
No,
What you look like. Good night. Grandma's going to bed now, you see? Grandma's going in a coffin. She's really a vampire.
Save £1,000 to get me crucifix. Oh, come later.
Yeah. Don't get up too quickly.
Bye bye.
Woo! That's where Corrie sleeps. In that lovely
Corrie.
bed.
It's all nice and warm then. Oh.
This is where the smokers hang out. But Gordon can't get off his chair. Got his wine there. Out he goes. Smoker's corner.
Strangle one of these.
Yeah. Behave yourself. No, you didn't get it, did you? You see, there's a cob there. This one's a pen.
It's amazing how the farting attracts them.
This is what. Just move your left hand a little bit, Gordon. Just move it down. Let's see this one coming up. Ooh,
Come on,
blimey.
Penny.
This is amazing. Wildlife on one. Yeah.
No, it's
So you got my finger right in his mouth there.
spitting out great gobs of nicotine.
I'm not
Bits
sure
of
about the
Band-Aid.
next one.
Look at finding the other one.
Yeah, look at it.
Poor bastard.
We'll just go around
Well, you
here a
don't get the
bit.
last bit.
Another one? Aren't your fingers?
Oh no, you just have to go like that, you see. And
oh my God.
They'll have the fingers. He says, I've got another piece of band-aid, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Mrs. Mott
Mrs. Mott.
is doing her chores.
Get in there, galley
Yeah.
slave.
Already.
Here's the captain. Just to give us our orders for the
Captain
morning.
Cook. I'll take
Yeah.
them up the other end. You know the truth?
Last night. This is the garden of the pub we went to. Last night. It's a beautiful day. What a change from yesterday. It's the garden and the pub. It's just here. Navigation in. There's a little ducky down there. That's which way we're going. So we've just been feeding the ducks. First off. How easy it is just to leave shore. Off. And hopefully he'll pick me up. Easy peasy, isn't it? Had a problem. Not quite the same as when you're leaving your mooring on your yacht. Slightly simpler. And we're away again. Oh, there's Corrie. Hi, Corrie. Hello, Corrie.
Bye-bye, Susan. Bye-bye, Susan.
Bye, Corrie. Corrie. That's nice. There we are. It's Cherry. Chugging along. The Wyvern Shipping Company. Here's the two men on the back. Oh, just a...
Corrie! 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 In your box.
Corrie, look! Look! Good job! Good job! Up there! Look!
Yeah, on a good ship dike.
Good ship died.
You're a little bit
Dykey.
Dykey. I'm touched. I'm touched.
We are back at Fenny Stratford. Dan's picked up one of the gay boys from around the toilet disposal area. We're in company of the Red Lion, that well-known boozer, Purveyor of home-brewed ale. Here comes Captain Ahab in search of the white whale.
Shouldn't be much pleasure in taking pictures of a bloody old ugly bugger like me.
This is for a rehabilitation film. Study and concentration. The watering party. Sir? What you got in your hand?
Have a rest now. It's a bit hard going doing this all the way from Sweden.
Shut up, all you're going to get today is a bag of hay.
How am I going to get through this bridge? That's what I want to know.
Swim, you bugger, swim.
Yeah, you don't walk along the wall inside.
Oh yeah, legs up.
The only problem is you might get injured by falling sailors. Lazy bastards are not chasing us, are they?
Push that, John.
Yeah, you just flick the red one down.
I just push that down.
Yeah, that hangs it up. Yeah, that hangs it up.
Where do I put it then?
Stick it back down. Put the aerial down.
You get about a photo of you lifting that paddle. Yeah. Yeah, this is where I got one jam.
Yeah, that's that one over there.
Yeah.